Hola a todos. Hope you're doing well and enjoying the snow day. Sorry to melt your snow with a little bit of homework, but as I told you, we need to keep rolling. So I gave you a green sheet on Friday before you left. That is your green grammar sheet for Estar and Estar. So go ahead and find it. Pause the video if you need to. Find your green Estar versus Estar sheet and fill it in as we go over it. So remember the forms of the verb ser, soy, eres, es, somos, sois, and son. So we've done ser and we've done estar. Hopefully you notice that they both mean to be, but they're used for to be for different reasons. So ser is used for identity, telling who you are. Soy Maru. Soy estudiante. Okay. I am Maru. I am a student. Okay. It can also be for characteristics, which we're going to pick up in the next lesson. Soy alto. Soy alto e inteligente. Okay. So make sure you write down these sentences under each of them. The next one is occupation. Soy estudiante. I am a student. That is your occupation. That's your job. Ella es profesora. She is a teacher. Notice that when you're stating occupation, you don't use an article. Don't use an article unless there is without an adjective, unless there is an adjective with it. So while in English we would say, I am a teacher, or she is a teacher, in Spanish you just say, ella es profesora. You don't put the un or una in there. Of course, you would use el or la if you're talking specifically. Oh, she is the teacher. Ella es la profesora. So origin, de, telling where someone is from. Ella es de Mexico. Soy de Virginia. Telling time. This one you should know well. Son las tres. Whoops. Son las tres. Es el mediodía. Okay. And then telling day. Hoy es, for example, hoy es lunes. You would also, of course, use it for date. Es el 14 de enero. Right? So that's what the verb ser is used for. Remember the forms of the verb estar. Estoy, estás, está. Estamos, estáis, están. Don't forget your accent mark on estás, está, estáis, and están. So estar is used to tell health, condition, and location. There's a rhyme. How you feel and where you are, always use the verb estar. So your condition or your health tells how one feels. We did this at the beginning of the year. Estoy bien. Estoy enfermo. I'm well. I'm sick. Estoy triste. I'm sad. Okay. And then location, where someone or something can be found. And this is typically followed by the preposition in or any of the other prepositions that we have learned. Ella está en la clase. El libro está debajo de la mesa. Okay. You're going to use in, not a, with estar. In means in, at, or on, that you are in that location. A means at or to, telling direction towards. So you're not typically going to use a with the verb estar. In or any of the other prepositions, enfrente, delante, delante, detrás, that we learned and that you had your review quiz on. So make sure you have all this written down on your green grammar sheet. Your homework, you have another worksheet. You are to complete the front and the back of that worksheet. The first activity you're filling in with the form of ser or estar. Activity 4 underneath that is just the verb estar, and then the conversation, part 5 on the bottom of the front, is filling in with ser and estar. On the back of the worksheet, you have another section of completing with Estar or Estar. And then activity 1 down at the bottom are questions. You need to come up with the interrogative, the question word that best completes the question, and then answer the question. If you have any questions, send me an email. Enjoy your day. Ciao.